Are you tired of paying rent? Well, maybe now is the time to get into the housing market because mortgage rates are still incredibly low. And to talk about that, here's Jeannine Henrion of Group 1 Mortgage. Still historically low mortgage rates. It's wonderful.
We say it over and over again, Curt. Rates are low. Rates have been low. Rates appear to be staying low. Now is a great time to buy.
And that increases a home buyer's buying power.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And home prices, while we're starting to see movement in the marketplace, they're not out of control. It's a fantastic time to be a home buyer.
Mm-hmm. And because so many people look at the price of a house and say, I can't afford it. But if you look at the payment is affordable.
It really is. Oftentimes you can live in a better home with a mortgage payment than you can with the same rental payment.
How do mortgage rates differ depending on how much money you're putting down these days?
Well, you know, it's all about risk aversion for the lenders. Mm-hmm. So, you know, 25% down yields a better rate than 10% down, 30% better still. And of course, good credit scores really help also.
What about those home buyers, would-be home buyers who were shut out of the mortgage market a couple years ago? Have some of the lenders eased up these days and made mortgages more available?
Truly, they have. We are now seeing FHA lenders, and that's a government-insured loan, start to offer credit to borrowers with lower credit scores. A lot is left up to the underwriter's discretion. So maybe if you have a good debt-to-income ratio, the file has lots of merits, but maybe you got yourself into trouble and haven't been a credit junkie. You've been a little bit more cautious coming out, so your scores haven't escalated. You know, there's a good chance that you can get a loan if an underwriter sees merit in your file.
So when they come to you, what kind of papers should they bring in to prove that their credit score is decent?
We're going to want to look at all of their income and asset documentation, tax returns, W-2s, most recent pay stubs. We're going to want to see that you have money in the bank for your down payment, closing costs, etc. But as far as the credit goes, coming in and telling me that, you bought a car 2 weeks ago and your credit score was this, isn't really going to be the snapshot that I need. We're going to want to pull your credit ourselves and really work around what's real with a mortgage underwriting formulary behind it.
So go in there and give them what you got, and because mortgages are more available now.
Yes.
Jeannine Henrion, Group 1 Mortgage, thanks for being here.
Thank you, Curt.